Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning on the LED flash for alerts so you can test behavior immediately. You open Settings and tap Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. Enable LED flash for alerts, and if you want flashes when muted, enable flash on silent. You should also check focus or do not disturb. If those are active, flashes can be suppressed. Once done, lock the phone and trigger a test notification from another device, or ask someone to call. So now verify the specific apps. Open Settings Notifications and pick the app you expect to flash. Make sure alerts, sounds, and badges are enabled, because if an app is fully silenced, the LED may not trigger. You also want to confirm background app refresh and app permissions are reasonable. Some system behaviors depend on app state. After adjusting, force quit the app and then restart your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches. This refresh often restores the flash function. Finish with software and deeper resets. Install any iOS update because firmware changes frequently fix hardware signaling. If the flash still fails, reset accessibility settings or, more broadly, reset all settings. This won't erase your data but restores defaults. Should the problem persist, run Apple Diagnostics or visit an Apple store, since a faulty LED or logic board can stop flashes. If it works intermittently, note when it fails. Apps, focus modes, or low battery can reveal the underlying trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.